Peter, we're lost. Would you please find some place to ask for directions?
We are not lost.
Dad, maybe we should go home.
No way, son.
What was that?
Nothing.
Peter, the car is making funny noises.
Oh, you're wrong again, Lois. That wasn't the car.
Are you okay?
I'll be fine. I just have to concentrate on driving. Oh, God, we gotta stop.
Wow, an Indian casino!
Yeah, I gotta find me the stink lodge. Come on, you guys, no time to lose. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Geez, this is gonna be a photo finish, Lois.
I'm going to ask someone for directions. Meg, watch Stewie.
Hey, thanks. Watches you pee?
Hey, where's your mother?
Over there.
I didn't know you know how to play poker, Lois.
Yeah.
Well, how you doing?
Yeah.
That's good, honey. Let's go.
Yeah. It's funny, I never knew video poker could be so much fun.
Yeah, gambling is great, no question about it.
It felt so good. I kept putting my money in, and before I knew it, I lost $40.